If you're a tech journalist, content creator, or just obsessed with smartphone photography, finding the right phone camera can save you a ton of gear and hassle. After testing countless devices, I've found the Google Pixel 10 Pro is my go-to camera for work, and it's all thanks to one simple feature. For almost 2 decades, I've carried cameras that weigh 15 pounds or more to cover tech trade shows. As smartphone cameras improved, I hope to replace that gear with a phone, and over the last 2 years, I've tested everything from the Pixel 9 Pro to the Oppo Find X8 Ultra, and even the Osmo Pocket 3 for video. The challenge? Balancing portability, features, and performance. The Pixel 10 Pro camera is phenomenal. Google retained the hardware from the Pixel 9 Pro, but added a 100x zoom. While extreme zoom isn't my priority for product photos, improvements across the entire zoom range, especially at 2x, make framing and composition much easier. Another key feature? RAW photography. Many phones can shoot RAW, but Google lets you capture every photo in RAW and JPEG by default. That means I don't have to switch modes mid-shoot, editing is faster, and Lightroom even has a pixel color profile that makes the final result pop. The one flaw I noticed? Default exposure can overexpose darker scenes, which is tricky at press conferences or dimly lit events. But once you enable it in the camera settings, camera photo settings, quick access controls, the on-screen exposure slider is the best implementation I've seen on a smartphone. You can tweak shadows, highlights, and white balance directly in the viewfinder without digging through menus. For product photography, I've found that 2x zoom is ideal. It gives a tight crop and a shallow depth of field, making the subject stand out. Combined with the RAW workflow and on-screen controls, I can shoot in a variety of lighting conditions without needing extra gear. The Oppo Find X8 Ultra has an amazing 1-inch sensor and incredible zoom, but it's large and cumbersome. Other phones require multiple taps or mode switches to adjust exposure and white balance. Pixel 10 Pro keeps it simple, fast, and professional, which is why it's my daily work camera. Overall, the Pixel 10 Pro isn't the biggest camera sensor on the market, but it's the best all-around professional smartphone camera I've used. From RAW workflow to on-screen exposure control, it's perfect for work, travel, and content creation. I'm genuinely shocked at how good this phone is for professional photography, and for me it's staying in my pocket for good.